Today I'm going to show you how to use our jewelry cleaner. We sell these in the store. They are $8. And as it says on the label here, it's a non-toxic, biodegradable jewelry cleaner that is safe for most gems, gold, silver, and platinum. So I'm going to show you how to mix it up. When you get it, it comes with a little brush, cleaner in a little container, and then there's a basket in here as well. Okay, so we've got our container. We're just going to open that up, take our little thing of jewelry concentrate, clip the top off of it, and put that in to the container. And you're going to pour our water in. So now we have our bath here. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir. And I'm going to put my ring into it. We want to let the ring sit in there for about 5 minutes. You can also give it a little bit of an agitation. That'll sort of help get it started. Then once it's been sitting in there for 5 minutes, you want to pull your ring out and take your brush, dip it in there. You're just going to brush your stone like you're brushing your teeth. All these little accent stones, I want to be sure to get those as well. Go in both directions. Then in here, there's some areas that I can kind of just want to sort of jab the bristles in there and rub it around. Then if your stones have a clean out hole behind them, these little pave ones on this ring do not have clean out holes behind them, but the large center stone does. So I'm going to take the bristles and I'm going to push them in there and rub them around. I'm going to turn the ring, go the other direction. Then put my ring back in, and I can kind of agitate it a little bit to get any loosened debris off of it. Then I'm going to pull it out and just rinse it with some cool water. And then you can just put your brush back in there, close it up, and it's ready to use the next time you need to clean your ring. How often you clean your ring is sort of dependent on what stones you have. If you have a sapphire, then you're going to want to clean it more frequently. Sapphires are more transparent to begin with, so the light travels through them more, doesn't reflect back as much as like a diamond or a moissanite does. So if you have a sapphire, you're going to notice that any sort of lotion buildup or anything like that is really going to diminish the look of the stone. It's going to be less sparkly, it's going to be less vibrant. So with sapphires, I usually recommend at least once a month cleaning your ring. And that's also a good time when you clean your ring to check your prongs or check the setting and just make sure that all the stones look secure in there. If you have a diamond or moissanite, the more frequently you clean the ring, the easier it is to clean. The longer you go in between, the more that sort of lotion and stuff can get kind of impacted onto it and dry out and becomes harder to clean. So it's not bad to clean it once a month, but with Diamond or Moissanite, you could go a little bit longer, like maybe quarterly, every like 3 months, you would want to clean it at the latest. But yeah, just keeping that maintenance up with cleaning is just going to keep your ring looking a lot better. You're going to prevent that buildup from happening on the bottoms of the stones, which makes it so much harder to clean later. If you don't have a jewelry cleaner and you can't get one somewhere, you can also use a bowl of warm soap or warm water and dish soap. You want a really mild dish soap. Jewelers really like Dawn. That's kind of the go-to for dish soap for cleaning jewelry. But other mild dish soap would work as well. And with dish soap, you do have to be careful with other stones outside of a diamond, a moissanite, or a sapphire. Some of the softer stones like turquoise pearls, amber, stuff like that. Some soaps and stuff can like etch the surface of it and dull the look of it. So you want to be careful with what you use on those stones, but Dawn would work great for diamond, sapphire, or moissanite. And then you want to use a soft toothbrush, and it should be one that is new, has never had toothpaste on it, because toothpaste is abrasive, so you don't want to use a toothbrush that had toothpaste at one point on your ring. So you want to get a soft toothbrush that's new and dedicated just to cleaning your jewelry. All right, well, I hope that helps you keep your ring looking really sparkly and beautiful. We have another video that shows how to check the prongs on your ring and do prong maintenance, so you can follow up with that when you're cleaning your jewelry. That's a great time to check your prongs as well.